Hello guys, I'm Maria Andini. We have to discuss about the topic is traceability matrix. In this article covers to what is requirements traceability matrix and how to create a traceability matrix for requirements. Okay, first of all we have to discuss about traceability matrix. Traceability matrix, also known as called requirements traceability matrix or RTM, to provide documentation of links between proposed requirements and concerning the project output and test phase. In a software development project, and requirement traceability matrix is a documentation which is used to validate that all requirements are linked to test case. In this helps ensure that all requirements it will be covered in the test phase. A requirement traceability matrix is usually tabular format as it holds multiple relationship between requirements and test cases. Okay. Then we have to discuss about three types of RTM. First one, forward traceability. It's known as this documentation used to map and requirement on this test case. It will be ensure that your project moving on right direction. It will be ensure the requirements are tested truly. Then backward traceability matrix is a creating backward traceability, and it will be help to making sure that you are not expanding and scope of project by adding features or functionality that was not part of the original requirements. Next one is bidirectional traceability matrix. It is a requirements test case for forward traceability and test case for requirements of backward traceability in a single document. It's known as bidirectional traceability. Next, we have to discuss about benefits of using requirement traceability matrix. First of all, the final product tested including requirement functionality meet users needs and expectation. It is the major benefits. Okay. There could be negative surprises for the user. If then happens, what will be not be nice experience for anyone. So the customer must get and they to want and they to users needed and expectation all of the requirement functionality. It is it is checked to be final project. Okay. um, the final product tested to including all requirement functionality for users needs and users expectation. Then final product development and deliver the customer must including the requirements and expected features. Okay, the finally our product are delivered to customer. It includes must be checked you includes only requirements and expectation features for users. The third point is and or third benefits is the activities of project manager and their team can be set out clearly because they work first is implementation of requirements which they are highest priority. Okay, a clarity is the highest priority of everything project. Anyway you have to don't clear about in your users, it can be rejected, so we have to set up by clearly project. Okay. Then we have to discuss about how to efficiently run tests with the help of traceability matrix. First of all, we have to good communication channel. It's known as it is a case modifications suggested by stockholders and users. So they must be promptly reported the project team. Without the timely communication, Actually the testing cannot be generated. Okay, it is not a timely communication, and accurate the testing cannot be generated. Next one is determine the test scenario's priority. Identify what is highest priorities of our test. So that scenarios can be changing task. Okay, trying to task trying to test all scenarios is a mainly cases what's unachievable task. So that goals to test must be clear and from business and end users point of view. Uh, then process implementation. It's known as the process. Testing process must be clearly or clarity defined, taking into account factors such as technician infrastructure and team skill and past experience in your organization and organizational structure. Okay, or everything. A uniform implementation of the process considering the monitoring factor ensure that every person involved the project in the same page. Then effective implementation of testing strategy. An effective testing strategies is supported by traceability metrics, planning important plan, rolling plan ahead of all types of critical challenges. Which further. Last one is helps to develop a better product. Okay, the major efficiently run test with the help of traceability matrices helps to develop a better product. So I hope you understand. For our topic is traceability matrix. Thank you guys, thank you so much.